Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the new semester. As it turns out, there are several people who are absent due to COVID or whatever reasons. And so I thought I would put together this little video on how you can access our current assignment, the ERWC 3 module from home. It's my first Zoom video in a while, so please forgive me if I'm not that polished. Anyway, let me share my screen here and get you guys started on it. Okay, so I know this says period 2 up here, but this will be available for all periods because all of my classes are starting the semester with the ERWC. So the first thing you'll do, you've already done this, obviously, you click on the video for access for absent students. And what I'm going to take you through then is how to access the entire unit, okay? So first off, if you click on Extreme Sports Student Version link, make sure you look at these directions, okay? Directions. Below is a link to a student version of the ERWC 3 Extreme Sports module we were working on in class. Number 1, under the heading Reading Selections for this module, you will find the articles. I should say articles. You'll find the articles. Place the cursor on the web address for each article and click on it to open each article. So let me show you how to do that. Click on the link and it will take you to the very first page, the heading Reading Selections for this module. Now, if you look under this, it has all the reading selections. The first one here is an article by Claire Davidson, The World's Most Dangerous Sports. Now, here's the cool thing about this particular document. If you put your cursor onto the web address, the little hand shows up, you click on that, and it links to the article. It's not quite as easy as getting it in the workbook, but for those of you who don't have a workbook, it's certainly really helpful. Okay, just to show that one more time, click on the link, go to the web address. Let's try the second one out, the HTTP, and then you got the www. That's the web address. Click on that, and it links to the page where you can find the article. All right. So that's how you access the articles. Now let's go back to the home page. Oh, excuse me, let's not. Now let's look at direction number 2. Look at our Canvas homepage every day to see what activities and readings we are doing in class that day. So if you go back to the homepage, you'll see in class, we did an in-booklet assignment. Now our booklets look like this. Okay, our booklets look like this. However, you'll have to do your best with the link that you have. So look at the link. It said we did activities 1 and 3. Now, there are several group activities in here. You obviously at home will not be able to do a group activity. Actually, we at school are trying not to do a whole lot of group activities just to prevent the spread of COVID as much as possible. But you look at the directions and you do your best. You do the best that you can. You might have to modify things a little bit, but you do your best. So if it talks about our class brainstorming, do your own little written brainstorm. And then do the quick write. Are extreme sports a good idea? Why or why not? So then you'll go ahead and on your own paper, do a little quick write answering that question. Okay, skip activity number 2, move down to number 3, and follow these directions to the best of your ability at home. I understand that you may not have the same ability to do everything at home as you do here, and that is okay. Just do your best. The important thing is not how you do each activity exactly according to the directions, but as best you can so that you get the information. All right. Let's go back to the home page. And then direction number 3, email me if you have any questions or issues. If you're stuck at home and you can't figure something out, please email me. I may not be able to get back to you immediately, but I will get back to you. So again, guys, we just have to do our best to make the best out of the situation. If you find yourself at home, you just got to do your best to get as much work done as you can. If there are little gaps, we can always make those up when you get back. But if there are big gaps in what you know, what you've been doing, then that's a big burden on you to make that up on your own. So do as best you can in the situation that you're in. All right, guys, that's going to be it. Don't forget, email me if you have any issues.